Right now, artificial intelligence is running straight into a brutal physical bottleneck, and it has absolutely nothing to do with software. The blind spot blinding retail investors is a matter of basic physics: copper wiring. Inside the world's most advanced AI data clusters, traditional copper connections hit a structural wall, rapidly losing signal integrity and spiking power consumption the exact millisecond data travels further than 3 feet. As hyperscalers race to scale network capabilities from 800 gigabit architectures up to blistering 1.6 and 3.2 terabyte thresholds, the physical medium of computing must change. The industry faces an inevitable, multi-billion-dollar upgrade cycle where electricity is entirely replaced by light. The numbers revealing this shift are staggering. Market demand for high-capacity optical fiber is currently outstripping manufacturing capacity by more than 100%, stretching factory lead times past 60 weeks. This is why institutional powerhouse BlackRock is treating data centers not as mere real estate, but as mission-critical energy and digital infrastructure. Through their global AI infrastructure investment partnership, BlackRock is mobilizing up to $100 billion in capital alongside Microsoft and Nvidia. Their core investment philosophy is simple: whoever controls the physical choke points of the AI supercycle controls the generational wealth it generates. While mainstream retail capital chases overvalued, front-facing AI software applications, the smart money is moving aggressively upstream into the physical hardware, making this $100 billion build-out possible. True asymmetric upside lives in the unheralded hardware companies controlling the lasers, the custom silicon, and the precision outsourcing. To capitalize on this massive architectural migration from copper to light, tactical active investors must focus on 5 overlooked, money-printing stocks perfectly positioned to corner the photonics supply chain. Let's begin our deep dive with Lumentum Holdings Inc., trading under ticker LITE, a company that has completely evolved from a traditional optical component manufacturer into one of the absolute most critical bottlenecks within the entire AI infrastructure stack. The sheer velocity of their growth is mind-blowing. Lumentum recently reported a staggering 90% year-over-year revenue surge to $808 million, with their high-margin component segment skyrocketing 77% to $533 million. What makes this incredibly compelling isn't just the top-line explosion, but the fact that market demand is currently outstripping their manufacturing supply by more than 30%. They are effectively sold out for quarters to come. This severe supply and demand imbalance gives Lumentum immense pricing power, which is showing up directly in their financials. Their non-GAAP operating margin expanded by a jaw-dropping 2,140 basis points to hit 32.2%. Earlier this year, Nvidia recognized this absolute dominance, anchoring a massive $2 billion strategic investment into Lumentum to secure the proprietary indium phosphide lasers that power next-generation networking. This cash injection and their recent inclusion in the Nasdaq 100 underscore their strategic importance. With hyperscalers aggressively spending a projected $646 billion on data centers this year, Lumentum's revenue is on a trajectory to nearly triple, from just under $3 billion in fiscal 2026 to $8.37 billion by 2028. As the industry transitions from transceivers to massive intra-rack architecture like co-packaged optics and optical circuit switches, Lumentum is perfectly positioned to capture exponential upside. Moving further down the optical highway, the second stock demanding your attention as it scales up to meet this unprecedented wave of capital deployment is Coherent Corp, trading under ticker COHR. Coherent has fundamentally transitioned from a traditional cyclical optical supplier into a strategic, indispensable enabler of AI infrastructure, and the market is undergoing a massive structural re-rating to reflect it. In its latest third-quarter results, Coherent delivered a powerful 21% year-over-year revenue growth to $1.81 billion, accelerating to 27% on a pro forma basis, while its adjusted earnings per share exploded by 55%. Data center and communications exposure now accounts for a massive 75% of their total business, growing at a blistering 41% clip. Just like Lumentum, Coherent's near-term challenge is a massive supply deficit, with ravenous data center demand completely outpacing factory capacity. However, Coherent is aggressively scaling its manufacturing footprint. Backed by Nvidia's $2 billion investment infrastructure, the company is rapidly expanding its state-of-the-art 6-inch indium phosphide wafer production in Texas, a strategic lever that yields 4 times as many devices at less than half the cost of legacy manufacturing lines. This unmatched vertical integration provides rock-solid margin stability. Management recently reported a step function increase in their order book, driving their backlog to record highs. Order visibility now stretches all the way into calendar year 2028, with long-term customer agreements locked in through the end of the decade. Looking ahead to the next quarter, Coherent is guiding for an even faster 29% revenue growth and a staggering 62% jump in EPS, proving that this AI photonics party is strictly here to stay. While raw component shortages create highly visible winners, the third critical stock to anchor your portfolio focuses on the highly technical assembly process, making Fabrinet, trading under ticker FN, the absolute best hidden risk-to-reward ratio in the entire AI hardware supply chain today. While the mainstream market continues to misclassify Fabrinet as a low-margin contract manufacturer, sophisticated active investors recognize them as the secret weapon, or outsourced arms manufacturer for the world's leading chip and optical giants. When Nvidia or other hyperscalers design highly sophisticated 800 gigabit and next-generation 1.6 terabit optical transceivers, they don't assemble them in-house. They hand the blueprints to Fabrinet. What sets Fabrinet apart is a deep technological moat built on sub-micron optical alignment and cleanroom precision that standard electronics manufacturers simply cannot replicate. Furthermore, their IP-neutral business model means they never compete with their own clients, establishing an unmatched level of institutional trust. Financially, Fabrinet is printing money. In its latest third quarter, revenue surged over 39% year-over-year to $1.21 billion, fueled by an absolute explosion in optical communications demand. Non-GAAP earnings per share grew a remarkable 47.6% to $3.72, smashing consensus estimates. To handle an avalanche of upcoming demand, Fabrinet is deploying $52 million in capital expenditures to open a massive new 2 million square foot facility in Thailand, adding up to $3 billion in annual revenue capacity when fully optimized. Despite this hypergrowth, the stock trades at an incredibly compressed forward earnings multiple of just 19.5 times. With a staggering price-to-earnings-to-growth ratio well below 1.0, Fabrinet is drastically underpricing its true earnings compounding power. Transitioning from custom physical packaging to the underlying semiconductor intelligence that routes these blistering data streams, our fourth stock, Credo Technology Group Holding Limited, trading under ticker CRDO, has officially transcended its identity as a mere semiconductor company to become the foundational architecture of the AI factory supercycle. As AI computing clusters swell to hundreds of thousands of processors, network connectivity has emerged as the ultimate physical choke point. Credo owns this bottleneck by dominating both copper and light. In their spectacular fiscal year 2026, revenue exploded by a mind-blowing 206% to surpass $1.3 billion, driven by an unquenchable demand for their active electrical cables, AECs, which provide unparalleled energy efficiency and zero downtime reliability for short-range intra-rack connections. What truly sets Credo apart is the jaw-dropping quality of its business model. While most hardware manufacturing requires heavy capital expenditures, Credo runs a hyper-efficient, asset-light operation. They kept quarterly CapEx below an astonishing $5 million, allowing them to print over $178 million in free cash flow. This operational leverage drove non-GAAP gross margins above 68% and net margins past a blistering 50% in the fourth quarter. But the most lucrative catalyst is just getting started: the optical transition. Backed by their $750 million acquisition of Dust Photonics, Credo has locked down the entire connectivity stack, including optical digital signal processors and silicon photonics. Management is guiding for over 80% revenue growth in fiscal 2027, with their premium-priced optical portfolio set to generate over $600 million. By aggressively diversifying their customer base into fast-growing neo-cloud providers, Credo is structurally insulated and on a direct path to compound its revenue to $3.58 billion by 2028. Finally, for investors looking to capture the ultimate high operating leverage pure play, Our fifth and final stock, Applied Optoelectronics Inc., trading under ticker AAOI, stands as the premier high-beta vertical integration weapon designed to dominate the structural indium phosphide laser shortage. Unlike competitors who must outsource their raw laser chips and tooling machinery, AAOI manufactures its own ultra-high-power indium phosphide lasers, completely in-house. This complete self-dependence gives them a massive structural advantage, shielding their supply chain from macro constraints and positioning them to capture a higher percentage of the hardware bill of materials. The numbers backing their current manufacturing scale-up are completely unprecedented. AAOI is executing a massive facility expansion across Texas, stretching its footprint to 900,000 square feet and fueled by millions in grants from the Texas Semiconductor Innovation Fund. Management is targeting a jaw-dropping 9-fold capacity increase for its 800G and 1.6T transceiver products, ramping from 100,000 units monthly to an astonishing 930,000 units per month by mid-2027. This explosive volume scaling is projected to drive their non-GAAP gross margins from a soft 29.2% up toward the 40% threshold. With over $324 million in a solid order backlog tied to a premier hyperscale customer like Oracle, demand is absolutely not the issue. The company is pacing toward a $1.1 billion annual revenue target for fiscal 2026, with guidance hinting at an 83% year-over-year revenue surge in the very next quarter. While the stock commands an undeniable AI infrastructure premium, shifting focus to their mid-2027 run rate projections reveals a staggering compressed forward valuation. For tactical investors looking to trade pure operational momentum, AAOI represents